Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you exactly how to use your Savana points in a simple and clear way. First, open the Savana app on your phone. Make sure you are logged into your account. If you are not logged in, enter your details and sign in. Once you are inside the app, go to the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on the Me or Profile section. This will take you to your account page. Here, look for the option called My Points or simply Points. Tap on it. On this page, you will be able to see how many points you currently have in your account. Now that you know your points balance, the next step is to use them. To do that, go back to the shopping section of the app and browse for the item you want to buy. When you find something you like, tap on it and add the item to your bag. After adding the item to your bag, go to your bag and tap on Proceed to Checkout. This will take you to the checkout page where you review your order details. At the checkout page, look carefully for the option that says Apply Coupon. Tap on this option. You will see a list of available coupons linked to your account, including those connected to your Savana points. Select the coupon you want to use. Once selected, the amount listed on that coupon will be added as a discount to your order. You will see the total price update automatically. Thanks for watching.